So, dinala namin yung freestanding faucet dito sa bahay kasi ewan ko kung matuloy yung plumber namin dito kasi ngayong Tuesday, sabi niya Tuesday daw siya pupunta dito, napakalamig. It's going to be like around negative 18 degrees Celsius tonight, tapos ngayong Tuesday ganun din. So tingnan natin kung pupunta siya. It doesn't feel like really cold right now.
I don't know. I don't know why. I would think
It's okay, boy. We don't have to.
with this, I want to get rid of everything.
Yeah, maybe later because it will get darker inside. Tingnan nyo.
Out of the way.
You're the nicest employer of the year.
You could kick the rest out of the way.
Yeah, later. Piniprepare niya yung daan para sa mga workers para hindi sila ma-slide sa snow.
Yeah, these right here, this is
Yeah, that's dangerous.
I wonder if I can just put
Yeah, later.
be careful with it.
Okay, so bubuksan na namin para makita ninyo kung anong hitsura ng aming oh, don't tell me I brought the wrong one. Oh man, this is not it. Mali yung nadala ko.
I guess we're coming back tomorrow then. My goodness. Dili,
Yeah, dili
correct.
dili correct. Oh, jeez. Mali yung nagawa ko. Ito yung Can I wait a minute? Oh, why don't you open this one? Probably it is. Can you open this?
No, that looks like just a,
Yeah, I think that's it.
that's not a drain. That's not a drain.
No, it's not a drain. It's a stand. Yeah.
Okay.
And the next is
I don't, does this go in?
it should go in. Yan. And then the other fixtures.
Well, we won't do this whole thing, will we? That would just screw that would go in here like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That would go
Yan.
like that.
So yan. Yan yung faucet para agasan ng tubig papunta doon sa. Can we open this one so I can show it to them?
I need scissors. I have
Pakita namin sa inyo kung yung nabili namin.
You have to get that. Okay, I'll take these out, alright?
So, ito na po yung jetted tub ko. Tapos, umiinit siya. Kasi heated siya para sa likod ko. Tapos, may mga, dyan, parang jacuzzi ba? Yan, oh. Yan. Kung gusto mo magpamasahe sa buong katawan mo, yan, ipaandar mo lang yung mga bubbles. Tapos, doon yung faucet. So, kung gusto mong maglakay ng tubig, palapit mo lang yan dyan, dito. Tapos, dyan dadaan yung tubig. I'm excited. And then, of course, yan. Just try to imagine a glass yan. Makita mo yung background sa likod ng aming bahay. Yan yung drain. Kaya lang hindi ko yan drain ilalagay dito. Yung drain ay para sa shower. Tapos, yan yung faucet. And then, pag masakit yung likod ko, all I have to do is come to the bathroom and take a bath and dive into my soaking tub. Tapos, yung view sa labas, tapos enjoy lang ako dito, at saka I can do my meditation and prayer time here. It would be so much fun.
Hey, why do you run away? Come on. Huh? Why do you run away all the time?
Guys, naalala nyo ba yung mga pusa na, yung mga kuting ba na na-adopt namin last year? I think that was April of last year na masakitin talaga. Ito na po sila. Kaya lang napakailang talaga nila. Ayaw nilang lumapit ng tao, guys. Kaya every time na kukunin namin sila, lapitan, walang isang dangaw tumakbo na sila. Ayaw nilang magpadakip talaga. So, minsan kinukorner ko sila para sila madakip at saka parang mapet ba. Kaya lang ang dami nilang mga pwedeng mataguan sa garage, sa mga furnitures namin, kaya hi. So sa clip na ito, nagtalo kami ng asawa ko. Pinagalitan ko siya kasi i-check ko kung kumpleto ba yung spare parts ng shower. Nag-aalburuto siya kasi mahirap daw. Kaya pinagalitan ko. Nakakainis, lahat na lang pinoproblema kahit pag-open. Malaking problema na. 1, 2,
Oh, I just had something. Where did it go? Oh, it's 2, 3. I'm just going to put these back in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
what's that?
No idea.
Can you show it to the camera? 8.
No idea what that is.
Okay.
9. I don't know what else is in here. Maybe 9. 10. I have no idea what that is. Some kind of 11.
Yeah, that's a hand shower.
12. That's all I see is 12.
So there should be like gaskets.
Should be what?
Gaskets.
Those might be in.
Siya lang yung lumabas kasi negative 20 kami ngayon Celsius. Walang katumbas ng kabaitan ang asawa ko, and I love him so much. Kawawa yung asawa ko, guys. Napakabait niyan. Kaya lang pinagalitan ko siya kanina kasi ang hirap-hirap. Ganito talaga yung mga Amerikano, guys. Mga counting kimbot lang na trabaho, nahihirapan na sila. Sabi ko, i-count yung mga spare parts. Mahirap daw, kasi nakabalot. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, that's very easy. O, ikaw na lang mag-video para may content ako. Tapos ako na ako na lang mag-count. Pero talaga masarap magmahal yung asawa ko kasi palagi niya akong pinapamper. Tapos very gentle yan at saka ayaw ng away. After this, pupunta na naman kami ng ibang city to pick up ay ukay-ukay. Ang pipick upin namin ay secret. I-video ko mamaya kung may daylight pa kasi parang early mag-goodbye ang Mr. Sun natin ngayon. Tingnan niyo yung asawa ko. Oh my gosh. Naiinis ako kanina kasi anything na gusto kong ipagawa sa kanya, kahit man lang pagpa-open ng box, ay napakahirap na talaga. Itong mga Amerikano, hindi sila sanay sa difficult tasks na kayang-kaya lang natin. Sa kanila, malaking problema na. Ay. But other than that, my gosh, my husband is the best in the world. Tingnan nyo. Di bali nang siya ang magiginawan. Basta ako, nandito lang ako sa car. Nandito lang ako sa car, nagpainit.
Use these for weddings.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So, how many are they?
5.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, look at this!
It's a
my
selfie studio, so
goodness,
people
yeah.
come in and take their own pictures.
I wish I dressed up and I could have a selfie in here.
So are those
Very
big
nice.
enough for
Yeah, this should
dining?
be.
So those,
And you
This
can,
will not
you
break,
can
right?
sit on one. I believe these hold up to like 800 pounds or something per chair.
oh
Wow.
wow. Okay.
That's
so you're good. You're
awesome.
I
okay.
wouldn't test it.
Alright guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung magkano yung nasave ko sa mga ukay-ukay bills ko. So itong tab na ito is 3,690 from the manufacturer. Tapos nung isang clip ko before sa videos ko, sabi ko 2,800 kasi fluctuating yung yung mga prices ng mga ganito, minsan mataas, minsan mababa. But itong klaseng ito is 3,690. Na sinail nila ng 2,199, 2,199. At magkano ang bili ko? Only 1,400. Yan guys, 1,400 only from 3,690. Tapos itong freestanding faucet, 129.99, nabili ko lang ng $50. And then this drain, 108.79, nabili ko lang ng $45. Malaking diskwento. Tapos itong shower na ito ay 370, nabili ko lang ng $140. Woot woo! Tapos itong mga special chairs na ito, pag bibilhin mo ng brand new is $625 at nabili ko lang ng $125. So yan, happy na si Miming. So yung presyo ng lahat na pinakita ko sa inyo, yung heated bathtub, yung freestanding faucet, yung drain at saka yung shower at saka yung chairs, ang original price ng lahat na yun ay $4,833.78 plus patungan mo pa yun ng mga taxes. So more than that talaga yung dapat na nagasta ko. Pero dahil ay ukay-ukay, from 4,833.78, nabili ko lang ng tumataginting na 1,760. So, yung savings ko guys, alam nyo magkano? Ang savings na naipon ko ay tumataginting na $3,073.78. At kung i-convert mo yan sa pesos, magkano ba yung currency ngayon? $1 is 252 cents? 52 cents? 52 pesos? So, pag minultiply mo ang $3,000, 73.78 cents ay nagiging sangkatutak na 159,836.56 cent pesos. So, 159,000 guys in pesos. Di ba bahay na yan sa atin? Dito sa Amerika guys, ano lang yan? 5 kapiraso ng mga furnitures at saka fixtures. Napakamahal talaga dito sa Amerika. Kung sa Pilipinas pa yun, balong-balong na yun, di ba? Pero ganon talaga But anyway, antabayanan nyo guys, because in my incoming videos, pakita ko sa inyo ang mga additional improvements sa bahay at saka yung mga additional na big savings ko dahil sa nabili kong mga ukay-ukay. Ganda ng mga ukay-ukay dito guys kasi brand new yung iba. Kasi binili ng mga previous owners na bago tapos nag-change yung mind nila kaya hindi na nila maiuwi kasi ilang buwan na ang nakalipas. So binibinta na lamang nila ng napakabarato na mga presyo. So ganon yung nangyari sa tab ko, from 3,000 plus nagiging 1,400 na lang. So wait. Anyway, antabayanan nyo ha. Please watch naman sa incoming videos ko kasi marami kayong matutunan sa buhay ni Carpentera dito sa America. And for now, thank you so much for watching and God bless you all. I love you all. Bye-bye!